Welcome back, anglers! Today, we're diving into the world of catfishing with a product that's making waves in the angling community. Get ready to reel in those big cats with the ultimate stink bait for catfish. Introducing Catfish Pro Catfish Bait, the go-to choice for anglers looking to hook blue, channel, and flathead catfish. With its irresistible scent and mess-free application, this bait is a game-changer for any fishing expedition. What sets Catfish Pro apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First up, attraction. Packed with high fatty amino acids, proteins, and natural oils, this bait is like a dinner bell for catfish. It's formulated to lure in even the most finicky fish, ensuring you never come home empty-handed. Versatility is key when it comes to fishing, and Catfish Pro delivers. Whether you're casting from the bank, drifting in a boat, or setting up trot lines and jugs, this bait performs across all fishing styles. Adapt confidently to any scenario and watch your success soar. Say goodbye to messy hands and special hooks. Catfish Pro is designed to stay securely on your hook, eliminating the need for constant rebaiting. Enjoy a clean, hassle-free fishing experience from cast to catch. With its user-friendly resealable bag, Catfish Pro provides a long-lasting supply for multiple fishing trips. Each 10 ounces bag contains approximately 80 pieces of bait, ensuring you're always stocked up and ready to hit the water. So there you have it, folks. Catfish Pro Catfish Bait is the ultimate choice for anglers seeking success on the water. With its unbeatable attraction, versatility, and mess-free application, it's a must-have in any tackle box. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, tight lines and happy fishing.